Yo people, welcome back. In today's video I will blow your mind away by showing you how you can get that free money and free coins in one state RP. It is applicable for both iOS and Android devices, so the only thing you need to make sure is to follow this step-by-step tutorial and just go bonkers with the free resources that you can get in one state RP. Let me show you how. Now guys, I'm loading up in one state RP to see if we will get the free coins and free money. And just enjoy playing our game, guys. You know how much we need those resources to not just grind anymore, and simple as that. So let me go to the store section so that you can see better how those free money and free coins will propel in my account in one state RP. You can get it for both iOS and Android devices. So let me not waste your time anymore. Let me show you exactly how. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Now open up any browser and search for appspatched.com. On appspatched.com, guys, just make sure to search for one state RP. So type it without a space bar like that, one state RP. So now just make sure to enter your username on the game and then select the platform that you'll run. And now comes the fun part, because you will be selecting the free money and free coins that you want to see propel in one state RP. So without further ado, just make sure to let it rest, wait for this protocol to be completed, because we will proceed further. Continue to verification, and now click here, guys, to solve this last step. So this last step will ask of us to either complete 2 questionnaires, which will ask of us some simple questions and we need to complete them, or you will go ahead and download 2 apps. Click it from here, you will be redirected to the Google Play Store or App Store, and just make sure to do what it says from you in the description. So some game will ask of you to download it and open it up. Some other app will ask of you something else. Make sure to read it carefully right here, what it says from you in the description, and complete it that way. So that is it, guys. I hope this was a very useful tutorial, that you got your free coins and free money in one state RP. And if not, just leave a comment down below. I will be there for you to guide you further. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.